Yo, what's good, guys? This is the second video of me trying to get better at PvP, and the first one was about totems, and now I'm trying the sword. Like, it's supposed to upload this a few days ago, but I actually lost the video I was recording first time. So yeah, I'm fucked. Unfortunately, oh shit. Unfortunately, the video I made first time was way better than this game. But at least I'm getting kinda better. So yeah, this might be like one of the worst things I ever did in my life. Like, instead of posting random shit, like when you post manhunts and shit, instead of doing this, I'm practicing PvP, which is I'm ain't doing great on it. Like, just look, I barely even hit him. I don't know how did I. What the fuck? Oh, guys, I don't know why did I decided to kill him with my fist, but I'm not being like toxic or some shit, but I really like finishing people in this way. Let's see who I kill online. Who is the fuck is Jelix? Nah, no one. What? Yeah, nobody. I still remember that one day when Wimbo just for some reason he joined the server and the whole server started crashing out like Wimbo, oh my god, Wimbo, god damn. And I joined the party and we decided to 51 him, and motherfucker got a maze and netherite, got apples, and we didn't get shit. For some reason I think we got what did we got? I don't remember. And at the end, I'm the worst. I'm the first one who died. Like, dude, like Wayne, what the fuck? The fuck did I do to you to kill me the first one? God damn. GG's. Can I see my stats? Oh wait, I can see my stats. I just realized, dog. Okay, let's see who am I against. Hey, well, hey, Red Bull. Yo, this guy is actually cooking. I might actually get fried like a chicken. Wait, how am I getting fried like a chicken? Since when does the chicken getting fried, dog? What's bro trying to do? Like, I know I'm losing this, but you ain't using your hands in the first shit. Okay, I'm too sure that he changed it by accident, because there's no way you're changing your hand for no reason. Oh god! God. I don't know how did I win this, but I won this. Like, yippee! GG's. So when I killed him, he didn't say GG's, but when he killed me, I should say what the fuck. That custom accept everything. What the hell? RIP RTX. Isn't like the RTX is like a PC shit? Why is his bro's name is literally RTX? Steve. I'm fighting literally my boy Steve. Why did he stop this? Why nobody saying GG's? Like, come on. Is it that hard just to say GG? What? We main. Yo. Yo, wow, have the same hand as me. But black face. Yeah, I respect this dude. He's still using the free things, even, well, I'm sure that he can get the pay things, but yeah, bro, that free things is just tough. What am I saying? I love, I love, I love, I love, I love. What am I saying? Okay, let me. Okay, yeah. I'm ain't training on combo on this dude. So when I win him, he didn't say GG. Yeah, I realized people don't say GG when you win. Imagine. I wanna say imagine losing to a black dude that I just lost, and at the same time this does count as being racist. And I'm not racist, dog. Okay, yeah, I sometimes say the N-word. I'm sorry, but I don't really know if this counts as racism or not. Because the only guy who I called say on him the N-word is literally my friend, and he's already like not black. Okay, he's brown, but not that black. Yo, 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 yo. TG. That good? Oh, Lord. Oh, thanks. Finally, someone when he gets killed saying GG, like, where is he? Where is he or she? I don't know. Oh god, this shit is she's actually like too good. Damn. Ooh. 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 Oh, why bro's name is it's there. Aripis or Ebis? Like, why do I care about this name? Like, I don't care about my own name. I don't know. Does GG's and like get good easy or um is there using uh like like how many really good like just kill me already. Who's my opponent is Boxy the Box. Cool name. Boxy the Box. Oh god damn. Well, this game is actually so good and funny. Yo, what the heck? GG. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, Teenage Mutant Turtle, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Why am I singing? Just a few hits. Jeez. Well, that's all for today. It's kind of long video. I don't know if I'm going to like edit it or something. You will see it like maybe I'm gonna try to make it like 10 minutes instead of this, because I'm not really that kind of guy who like make this video like kind of long. Like the maze video, not gonna lie, dog. I didn't want it to make it like that long, but I'm really lazy to edit. So yeah, I cannot do this. So hope you guys like the video. Subscribe to the channel. It would help me a lot. Like if you want, I'm not telling you to. You have to. But if you want like, to help me, press that button. Like, you will like it's free. So yeah. See you next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.